Hi, welcome to the channel. If you've got a Vauxhall engine and you keep getting an error code of P0171 come up, it can be a number of things, and I'll tell you what I've done to sort the problem out. First thing I did was check the purge valve, which is this part here, and change that. Still the same thing. The symptoms I had was you could start the car up fine. After about 4 minutes it was terrible. And I had a lot of suction on here. I couldn't undo this with the engine running. It was like sucking it back down like this, which I'll show you in a video in a minute. And also this, it was like after 4 minutes it would just do it. So what I did was change the purge valve, which a lot of people said it's this. No difference at all. Did a smoke test. Put a smoke test in here, and you pump smoke into the engine, and you see we've got any air leaks. And this pipe here had a very small little nick in the bottom. It's been rubbing against one of the hoses. Changed that. Didn't make any difference. Changed the O2 sensors, one here, one at the back of the engine. No difference. So in the end I changed the rocker gasket, a rocker cover I mean, with the gasket. Perfect now. There's little valves inside here, which is the cause of the problem. Suction, whatever it does something there. But if you carry on watching the video, you'll see how I tested it all here and show you what actually happened. Okay, if the video helps you out, give us a thumbs up and enjoy. Well, here it is with the engine running before I did anything. As you can see in here, doesn't sound too bad. And here's a little hole that sort of doesn't suck or blow. It's just meant to be, there's meant to be nothing there really. So I'm just going to get a bit of paper and just show you that there's no suction, like so. As you can see, there's nothing there at the moment. And here it is after about 4 minutes of running. You can see it's sucking there a little bit. See it got in the paper. And it sounds terrible. Well, here's the engine code I got. Obviously, was it P0171, fuel trim system lean. Right, I've just taken the rocker cover off, which I'm going to change because it's got the valve inside it, and I think that's what's stopping this, doing the suction thing when you give it a few revs. Here's the one I've just taken off the engine, and as you can see, the gasket's nice and flexible as it should be. But this one is one I took off another car, which had loads of oil inside the spark plug holes. It's because the gaskets around here are just solid. Look at this. I'll be able to hear it cracking. That just breaks. We'll see, it should be like this, nice and floppy. So that gasket's certainly seen better days. I'm just going to clean this up, put the original gaskets back on here, and fit it back, and hopefully it's going to sort the problem. Well, I've just put the rocker cover all back on there with the other gasket. I've changed this pipe here. It comes from the back of the rocker cover onto the throttle body. Just changed it. This is the one, because I did a smoke test and it's leaking, as you can see there. That's where it's coming from. So that might have something to do with it as well. Well, as you can see, there's no fault codes at the moment on the engine side. So hopefully nothing comes up when I start it up in a minute. Well, there you go, no fault codes at all. So I'm just going to start it and hopefully nothing's going to pop up when I rev it. Okay, that's the temperature at the moment where I've just started up. What is it? 52 degrees. We'll see how it goes. Just show you this timing one here, the advanced timing. It's meant to be between here and tick over. It just drops ever so slightly. But I'll put a video up now of what it was doing before I changed the rocker cover, because it was like in the minuses. That's quite good though, so that's obviously changed as well. You can just see it going in the red, but before it was minus. Have a look at the have a look at this little clip. As you can see, the red means bad, obviously, so it's all over the place before that rocker was changed. So everything looks good now. Okay, well I hope this video's helped some of you out, and thanks for watching.